Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are about to go outside and run some quick errands, but it is hot. It is hot. It is hot outside. So I really wanted to wear something that was simple, very calm, not too much, not all over my shoulders, my back. I could still move, very natural, kind of I cut my real hair type of vibe because I didn't do any baby hairs. I really did not want to do baby hairs at all with this look. So I just wanted to keep it really simple and get it on. We'll also be discussing how I feel about this even adhesive spray. This is the yellow extra mega hold, what they say, but I'm gonna tell y'all my honest story to my honest. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all tea. So if you want to see what this spray is giving and just to put this quick little hairstyle together, then keep watching. It's 94 degrees. 94 degrees. It was 100 degrees today. I'm not putting on no long wig today. I'm not doing it. So I gotta run some little quick errands or whatever the case may be. But I need to look a little bit cute, like just more decent. Y'all know, if you don't know, I just got rid of my pony, so I'm ready to put the wig back on my head and you know, all like cute stuff, but I just don't want to do too much. It's just right now, especially this whole week is gonna be in the 90s and 100s, so the last thing I need to do really to not have any hair all over my shoulders making me hot, whatever. So that's why today we are doing a bob. When is the last time y'all ever seen me in a bob? I didn't do a bob in so long, so I'm kind of like, I'm not scared, but I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna come out. And I would say my taste in bobs have definitely changed, because usually I like my bobs to like touch my shoulder a little bit, but I think I'm gonna take it up a little bit higher and see if it could get grown and sexy. So let me show y'all what we're working with today. So Isee here sent me this 10-inch bob, and I already of course plucked it off camera, so let's get a close-up on that. Period. Y'all know how that go. And I also did the parting off camera just because I wanted it to be like super straight. Y'all know how I get about my center parts. But today's not giving extra, it's not giving too much, it's not really giving, it's giving I don't want to be hot, but I want to be cute still at the same time. Same old, we about to install this, but I am going to use something a little bit different today. I will be using the yellow Eben adhesive spray, and this is the extra mega hold. I've never used this to lay down my lace, so we're just gonna have to see what this is giving. This is like a full bottle. Like, I barely use this. I don't even think I use it at all, to be honest, because it kind of reminds me of the got to be, and we passed those days, girl. Anyways, we about to install this real quick and do something very simple. If you want to go glueless due to the fact that it's hot, that's perfectly fine too. But I still, even though I don't want to use adhesive, like actual adhesive sometimes, I still need a little bit more security, just because, especially when it comes to the baby hairs. And honestly, I don't even know if I want to do baby hairs today, because it's like, bobs just give me so, I want to give an elegant bob look, something natural, something like I just cut my natural hair. So let's see what this possibly could give us. Let's take the lace. I already cut the combs on the inside, and let's get this baby on real quick so we can see what she gives. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like my concealer shade may possibly be changing for whatever reason. I don't know why. I don't know if I got a tan, I don't know, maybe it's my eyes making, you know, creating illusions, I don't know. But I still use the same concealer, but sometimes I feel like my lace looks too dark, and then sometimes I feel like it looks too light. I don't know if it's because of when I actually wear makeup. You know, makeup can do that for you, but I was just like, I don't know what it is, but we about to see what this is giving. This lace is giving me definitely transparent for sure, definitely transparent. And I personally feel like transparent lace is the best lace to work with. Everybody says HD is the easiest to work with, and don't get me wrong, it's a great illusion, but that quality of that lace has to be amazing for the HD to be easy to handle, because if it's thick, oh my god, it is not gonna look cute at all. And I've run into some real thick HD frontals, but transparent never really let me down. Plus transparent is way more durable, so I just always find myself just going back to transparent anyway. Like, y'all gotta make sure y'all know how to work with transparent lace. Y'all can't only be pros at HD lace, because that means you're not really a pro, to be honest. So we really gonna talk about it. But as I'm applying it under the lace, I'm also gonna apply it on the top. If you are new here and you don't understand why I do that, I want as much saturation and tinting as possible, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I just make sure I put it a little bit on the top and the bottom. And I purposely use cream concealer because it's just easy to work with. Nobody got time for foundation. Nobody got time for lace twin. Nobody want to sit here and let it dry. I don't got time for all that. I don't want to deal with that. So I just use my cream and let it, you know, do what it do. And then on top of that, I think it's only about $4.99 at the hair store. So it's like, come on. It's worth the money, I promise you. So I tinted the lace. And as soon as you tint your lace, when you put the wig on your head, it literally should look like there's no lace there. It should look completely see-through. So let's see what this gives. And you can also tell the quality of the lace by this too. So let's put this on real quick. So being that we're keeping it light today, I'm really only going to use one layer. And I usually only do use one layer because you really don't need too much. Do I know what to expect from this? Not at all. Of course, it always says fast drying or whatever the case may be. But I don't really know what to expect. So we're going to do one layer, lay it down. And then from there, once I start to cut the lace, we should actually see what's going on. Alright, so this is what this bob is giving. Very cute, simple, quick to put on. As far as the adhesive spray, honestly, it doesn't give me as strong of a hold as the black and kind of the red one does. So this is kind of more lightweight, I would definitely say. I wouldn't say to spray it on top of your lace. I wouldn't recommend spraying no holding spray on top of your lace, period. The only holding spray of any kind that I spray on top of my lace is the Sebastian Shaper Plus, because it's very lightweight. Like, you can do a lot with it and it still doesn't make it sticky at all. Actually, like, I just sprayed it on my hair and as y'all can see, it's still very bouncy, still very has a lot of shape. But this, I would not spray this on top of my lace. As far as underneath my lace for a temporary hold and a glueless type of situation, because technically not glue, I would probably rate it 7 out of 10. As far as compared to the other even adhesive sprays, but it's still pretty cool. As far as the bob, like I said, very simple and cool. I don't gotta worry about being hot. I could tuck it behind my ear if I want to and just pull down like my sideburns, which is what I was honestly thinking about doing, because I like the simple type of look. And I honestly really don't care for doing baby hairs. Like, I really just wanted it to be something simple, natural. I don't gotta worry about nothing lifting, and I just go like that. So that's what we're gonna focus on for today. And yeah, very simple, very cute, quick. Y'all didn't really need a tutorial. We just really had to talk about this. But shout out to Isee here for sending me this bob wig. It's not... And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what y'all think about this look. Let's get her up close. She's sitting, and it's so hard to cut a bob on your head. Like, on your head, it is so hard. So I commend all the girls who know how to cut a perfect bob on their hair, because it's not easy at all. But anyways, if you like this video, leave a like, comment down below, let me know y'all thoughts, and let me know if this is y'all go-to wig when it's hot outside. Some of y'all just be like, fuck it, some of y'all just be like, I'm about to just wear braids. But girl, I look too young in the face, so I will not be joining y'all on that. But let me know if this is y'all go-to style when it gets nice outside, when it starts getting hot. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now.